Hello, welcome guys. Sometimes we will sending personal stickers. How our friends will be sending that stickers. This option will be available in beta version of WhatsApp. Just you will update your WhatsApp, then you will get this option for creating your own stickers. Just you have to download personal sticker maker for WhatsApp. This app will be downloaded from Play Store. Then you will download the another application, background eraser, for your photo background removal. I have already installed this application. Just open it, then load your image which you will choose for that background making for the sticker. Then click on auto. Manual also working. When you will click on the auto, it will be taking one color and removing the only that color. Easy to remove your photo background in this app by using this app. Then save the sticker. Finishing. Then you will edited this photo will be copied to your download folder. The download folder will be appears in the personal photo sticker application. Just open personal stickers for WhatsApp application, then add your stickers. Then you can use the stickers in your WhatsApp. In the celebrations or some other festivals, you can use these stickers, your personal photos and some other festival stickers you can make with your own Android mobile. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.